Google ADK versus LangChain. Choosing the right AI framework can transform how you build intelligent applications without unnecessary complexity. We'll look at Google ADK and LangChain, two powerful options with unique strengths and use cases. Google ADK and LangChain are leading AI development frameworks. Google ADK focuses on integrating Google's AI services seamlessly, while LangChain provides a flexible toolkit for building language model applications with custom workflows. Their core difference lies in integration versus customization. Google ADK, or the AI Development Kit, is a comprehensive framework designed to simplify access to Google's advanced AI services. It works by providing developers with pre-built components and APIs that connect directly to Google Cloud's AI models, such as language understanding, vision, and speech. This integration allows for rapid development of AI-powered applications without building models from scratch. Strengths of Google ADK include its robust scalability, reliable infrastructure, and seamless compatibility with other Google Cloud tools, making it ideal for enterprises already invested in the Google ecosystem. However, its reliance on Google services can limit flexibility and increase costs, especially for projects requiring extensive customization or offline capabilities. The ideal user of Google ADK is a developer or organization seeking quick deployment of AI features with minimal setup who value stability and integration over deep customization. LangChain is an open-source framework focused on building applications powered by large language models through customizable chains and agents. It operates by allowing developers to create complex workflows that combine language models with external data sources, APIs, and logic. LangChain's modular design supports a wide range of use cases, from chatbots to document analysis and automated reasoning. Its strengths include flexibility, extensibility, and strong community support, enabling developers to tailor AI interactions precisely to their needs. On the downside, LangChain requires more hands-on development and understanding of language model mechanics, which can increase initial complexity and development time. It also depends on third-party language models, so performance and costs vary based on the provider. LangChain is best suited for developers and teams who want full control over their AI workflows and are comfortable managing integrations and custom logic to create sophisticated language-based applications. Comparing Google ADK and LangChain comes down to integration versus customization. Google ADK excels in scenarios where fast deployment and reliability within the Google Cloud ecosystem are priorities, such as enterprise applications needing speech recognition or vision AI with minimal development overhead. LangChain shines when building highly tailored AI workflows that require combining language models with external data or business logic, like advanced chatbots or research tools. Trade-offs include Google ADK's limited flexibility and potential vendor lock-in versus LangChain's steeper learning curve and dependency on external model providers. For teams focused on rapid, scalable AI features with consistent performance, Google ADK is a natural fit. For those prioritizing innovation and custom AI behavior, LangChain offers unparalleled adaptability. Choose Google ADK if you need a reliable, scalable framework tightly integrated with Google Cloud services for fast AI deployment without extensive customization. Opt for LangChain when your project demands flexible, customizable AI workflows that leverage language models creatively. Its open architecture empowers developers to innovate beyond standard APIs, making it the better choice for complex, language-centric applications requiring full control and extensibility.